Hello, my name is Karthik Vijay. I was born and brought up in Delhi. I did my Bachelor's of Technology in Chemical Engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. I've done my schooling from Don Bosco School, New Delhi. I work with Reliance Industries Limited in the world's largest grassroots refinery at Jamnagar, Gujarat. At Reliance, execution is the foremost thing that I was fortunate to witness and learn, where we believe in an early delivery of projects within safety limits and at the same time pushing the boundaries to garner maximum profits from the existing facilities. I was faced with multiple execution of projects which included carrying out catalyst replacement in a team of 20 members working round the clock to deliver optimum loading configuration. Reliance is famous for giving an obscene amount of opportunities to new joiners, setting them up for a fast-paced learning curve. Hence, I can say with confidence that whatever I have learned at Reliance will hold me in good stead in the future. At Reliance, we were exposed to ground level working of the refinery, which included interacting with contract laborers, planning and scheduling maintenance activities. I was also involved in organizing guest lectures by senior management at Reliance Jamnagar Learning Center as part of an integration drive. It is important to grow for both the organization and the employee. While Reliance sales grew by 45% in the last 2 years, I personally gained in the learning that I had through various projects that I executed at Reliance. I undertook large scale projects which resulted in a tremendous amount of professional development for me. I was also awarded the letter of appreciation by Senior Vice President of the Jamnagar Refinery for my contribution towards NAFTA upgradation project, which yielded benefits of 31 crores per annum with a monthly 1 month payback during 2010. I also took upon an initiative of attending an international conference in Russia. It was a 10-day trip to Russia to attend a conclave with the then Russian President Dmitry Medvedev to discuss green business initiatives, where I interacted with youth from 40 different nations. I was sponsored by the Russian government based on my article submission of environment and sustainable development. It was an enriching experience to meet like minded youth at such a huge platform representing India. I would also like to bring forth my contribution towards National Association of Blinds, which works for the upliftment of blind women. I represented Jamnagar unit as part of an integration of NAB with Reliance Foundation, where I helped in providing low cost effective solutions for everyday problems that are faced by blind residents. I learned from them the will to succeed can overpower all setbacks and push you ahead. I would like you to consider me for this position of management consultant at your firm. I am looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.